Hi everybody, so my name is Miss Gusha, and in this little booklet I am going to teach you a little bit about me. I was born on May 23rd in Albany, New York. I grew up in Colony with my mom and dad, and my older brother and sister, and my younger brother and sister. So yes, that does mean I am the middle child. I am the third of 5, and that is me on the end. This is a more recent picture of my siblings and I, and in this picture I wanted to include one of my niece. My older brother had a daughter, and that is her that I'm holding. Her name is Georgia, and she is 6 years old. I have 3 dogs. 2 of them are Shih Tzu poodles, and one of them is a purebred Shih Tzu. The black one in the corner is Teddy. The one in the middle, the gray one, is Calvin, and the one in the red sweater is Henry. I also have a cat. This is him, my little orange kitty. His name is Finnegan, and he is 7 years old. For preschool to 12th grade, I attended South Colony Central School District, and it was here that I found my passion and inspiration for teaching. At Veeder Elementary School, my 2nd grade teacher, Mrs. Parisi, was actually the inspiration for me wanting to become a teacher. She was my most favorite teacher that I had ever had throughout my 12 years at South Colony, and she just showed me what it meant to be a teacher, and she was my biggest inspiration to teach. And I even went back in my senior year of high school. I went back and I shadowed her for a few months through an internship program at my high school, and that was something that I thought was really cool. And I still see her from time to time out and about at the store and stuff, and we still talk, and she always tells me if I need anything I can come to her room, which I think is extremely, extremely cool to see that the person that inspired me to be a teacher is now someone who is helping me to become a teacher. In 2016, I graduated from South Colony High School. After high school, I went to Hudson Valley Community College, and I graduated with an associate's degree in early childhood education in 2018. After Hudson Valley in 2018, I went to Russell Sage College, where I just recently graduated with a bachelor's degree in childhood education with a concentration in English in December. This is where I am currently working on my master's degree in childhood education and literacy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you learned something new about me. I am super excited to teach and to continue to learn and grow as a teacher myself.